Hello everyone. Now we are going to see how to use shell option in Creo parametric. So at first we will open a new page. So here you can see here we have shell option. Near the draft option we have shell and then we have rib option. So in this video we will discuss how to use the shell option here. So at first we will make a simple feature. We will make a simple part model to implement the shell. So I will be choosing the top plane and I am going to select the extrude command. So we will make a rectangle at first. So we will use trim command to trim the excess sketches. Okay, so this will be our basic sketch. So we will extrude it for a certain thickness. Okay, consider this as a basic part. So in this part we will check how to implement the shell model. So first click on the shell option. So for example, you need to make a shell in the top face, means directly click on the face of the feature. You can see here the difference. So we can give the thickness for the shell. So we will be giving it as 5 mm. So part model means it will be having a completely variable thickness. In shell you can able to create a variable thickness or you can able to give a constant thickness. So now you can see we have a constant thickness all over the part. We have 5 mm as the thickness. So if you need to give a variable thickness, for example this face I need some additional thickness, means at that time you can use this reference option. So a non-default thickness you can click here, otherwise in your you can right click your cursor and you can take here non-default thickness. So click on non-default thickness and click on the faces which you need to increase your thickness. For example, for the entire feature, for the entire part I have given 5 mm as my thickness. For this face I am going to increase my thickness. I am giving here thickness as 100 mm. So this is a way how you can use the shell option. You can see here. So we will again make one more feature here. So again I will use extrude option. So we will create here one more rectangle. And then we will extrude it. So now again I am going to use the shell option. So I am going to click this face. So you can see here. So including the first, we have make this as a first part and we have make another extrude here. So both the parts have been shelled. You can see here the difference. For example, we will use here orientation section, planar section. I will select the center plane. So you can see here the difference. So our entire part model has been shelled. For example, I no need to shell all my entire feature, only I need to shell this particular surface, means for that also we have options. So for that at first I will deactivate the section view. So shell, right click and use this edit definition option. So for this again right click your mouse, we have a excluded surface option. So otherwise you can go into the option and you can click here for excluded surface. So for this we need to select the surfaces, all surfaces. So select control, pick control and select all the surfaces which you no need to make a shell. So now you can see the difference here. I will again activate my section. So you can see here the difference. So only these surfaces have been shelled and this is not shelled. Why? Because in excluded surface we have selected these surfaces. So excluding this surface, entire surface will be here shelled. So again we will deactivate the section. So again we will use the edit definition option in shell. So here we have one more option. While picking the surface, For example, while removing the surface, at first I have removed only the top face. For example, you need to remove these both opposite faces also. That can also you can do. Just press Ctrl and click the faces, which also you need to remove. So like this, we can able to use the shell option. So we have remove surface option. So using control option, we can remove all the surfaces which no need, and we can use the default thickness option to add the default thickness for a particular face. And one more thing, we have extruded surface. So these are the three options we can able to perform inside the shell in Creo parametry.